Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Allure September Beauty Box. If you guys want to know what's in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so before we dig into the box and see what I got this month, I just want to welcome anyone who's new to my channel. Hi, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of makeup subscription boxes on my channel. My love for makeup is why I decided to start this channel, because I loved trying different products, different beauty products, skincare products, hair care products, and I discovered that you can get makeup subscription boxes and get a lot of different stuff for more than half the price. It's such amazing values. And I started subscribing to a lot of different boxes, and I said, you know what? Let me make a channel so you guys can see what I get every single month. And maybe that may help somebody out if one day, they want to subscribe to a makeup subscription box. Or maybe you guys just like watching unboxings. I know I love watching unboxings. I also do makeup hauls, and I show you guys stuff from my collection. If this is things that you like to watch, then I say consider subscribing to my channel. It will be greatly appreciated. Become a part of my family. Alrighty, so without further ado, let's see what's in here. This box retails for $15. If you subscribe for the whole year, they normally have incentives. I think it's a little cheaper if you subscribe for the whole year. Also, they have things like mega bundles. I subscribed for the whole year, so I got like a mega bundle, and it was like a $250 value for free just for subscribing for the year. So if you really want to get it and you want to lock yourself into it, consider doing those annually subscriptions, because you get more bang for your buck when you do it that way. And then normally with subscription boxes, when you do the whole year, it's a little bit cheaper as well. Alrighty, so let's see. So when I open my box, there's a little card on the top. This is the card that's on the top. And I'll just take, oop, there we go, it flew away from me. Then this is what it looks like on the inside, a little quick sneak peek for you guys. Alrighty, so let's see here. So as I always say when I do these, when I do my Allure unboxings, I explain to you guys that they show you guys the things that you get in your box, but it's somebody telling you why they love this item. But not every item works for everybody. For example, this mascara right here. This is a Wonder Beauty mascara. Somebody may like this. Let's say this is a volume and curl mascara, but maybe somebody has already thick, full lashes and they want something to lengthen their lashes. They probably wouldn't want volumizing, because volumizing brushes normally are thicker and lengthening usually are smaller. So not everything works for everybody. So I don't really like when they have it like this and it's like a person explaining why they love it, because everybody likes things that's catered to them, but it doesn't always work for every single person. So what I would do if it was me is I would just put what the item does and just be generic. And this is a volumizing mascara, just straight to the point. People want to know what it does. They don't want to know what it does for somebody else. But that's just my opinion. Alrighty, so since I took this out the box, this is a Wonder Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. So I just recently, in my BoxyCharm premium box, I just got a Wonder, what is it called? The Wonder Beauty liquid liner. So actually, I'm sorry, that was in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That was my choice that I chose that item. So now I have two things from the brand to try. So very excited about that. I want to say I tried this mascara already and I like it, but just don't squeeze it, because I squeeze it and some of the stuff comes out. So just be careful when you're like squeezing it. But I actually do like this mascara. That mascara ran out, so now I have a new one of that mascara. So very excited to have this. And it's makeup items, because I always express to you guys that I'm looking to have more makeup items in my box, not just all skincare, which most of the boxes lately have been doing. Alrighty, so it says this mascara retails for $24. So right off the bat, this one thing is the cost of the box. Because as I said, the box is only $15. Actually, the boxes went up. I'm not sure what's the new price for the boxes. I'll put it up here when I edit my video. I want to say, I think these boxes are 21 now. I'm not sure. I have the prices written down here because I have so many boxes that I always write the prices down so I don't get confused. But they used to be $15, but Ipsy actually just recently, I want to say last month, they put their prices up because they said they're going to revamp the boxes and have better things for the boxes. They didn't say what it was going to be. But they did put the prices up. So I'm not sure if it was 21 or what it was, but the prices did go up. So I'll let you guys know when I edit this video. So, but nevertheless, this is still the price, over the price of the box. Unless the box is 21 now, so I'm not sure. But it's still, I don't think the box is not 24 for sure. So it definitely is still over the price of the box. I want to say 21. I'm almost positive that's the new price of the boxes. All right, so I got an Elemis Pro Collagen's Cleansing Balm. I got this in my Beauty Fix box. That's a skincare subscription box. So I already have this, so I'll give this away in a giveaway. This is a deluxe size. This retails for $64 when you get the full size of this. This is not the full size. I didn't really like the smell of this. I don't know. I didn't like the smell of it. I guess I'm spoiled because I have the pharmacy makeup balm, the green one. It smells so good. I have the cherry one that everyone raves about, but I don't even think it really smells like cherry. If anything, the green one smells a little bit, you can actually smell it more than the cherry one. But I love that one. Ever since I tried that one, like any other one that I try, I don't like it. I just love the Fresh Pharmacy one. So, I'll give this away in a giveaway, but I do like cleansing balms, and the only reason why I'm giving this away is because, like I said, I already have one. So yeah, the next thing I got in here is an e.l.f. brush, and I actually love the e.l.f. brushes. They're very reasonable price, so I'm curious to see how much this brush is. So I got the highlighting brush. It says it retails for $4. So I'm very excited for this because this is 2 makeup items that I got. This is like more of a beauty tool, like a makeup tool, but I still classify it as like makeup. So very happy for that. The next thing I got is a dry conditioner, instant moisture, conditioning dry hair to control frizz. So what is this, like a dry shampoo? Shake well, spray on ends, brush through. Dry conditioner, instant moisture. It says conditions dry hair, but it doesn't say dry shampoo. So I guess if your hair looks dull, you just spray this and it gives it like a little more of a hydrated look. It says water loss, 3 conditioning level, paraben free and sulfate free. So I never heard of this or this brand. Let's see how much this costs for the full size. Okay, so I hate when they do this. Sometimes you get stuff in the box that they don't have inside the pamphlet. As you can see, it's not in the pamphlet at all. But they have it on the back, but then they don't put the price when they do the things on the back. And they always do that. I don't get why they do that. Because people want to know the prices. And yes, you can look up prices. It's 2020. Everybody has a smartphone. You can look up prices on your phone. But why give somebody work to do when it could just be in a book? If you're going to print the book anyway, might as well just put the prices of everything on there. I'm sorry, you guys know how I am with the prices. But anyway, the next thing I got is a La Roche-Posay. I never know if I say this correctly, but forgive me if I'm saying this wrong. This is like a sunblock line, I want to say. This is SPF 50. It says light fluid sunscreen. It's a matte finish, non-whitening, 100% mineral UV filters. Tested on sensitive skin, fragrance-free, water-resistant, stays on for 40 minutes. Okay, so I will be giving this away because I really don't use sunblock, and I'm not going anywhere where I'm going to need SPF 50. If I am going to wear it, it's not going to be SPF 50. Alrighty, so the next thing I got in here is a Revitalizing Japanese Sake Enhanced Radiant Sheet Mask by Glam Up. Okay, let's see if there's a price for that. Oh, I didn't tell you the price of this sunblock. The full size of this is $33.50, and it says that it was a Best of Beauty Award winner, as you can see right here. And also, this highlighting elf brush also won a Best of Beauty Award winner as well. Alrighty. So how much is this sheet mask? It says this sheet mask is $9.98 for 10 of these. So I don't know how much it would be for one. $1 something. If it's $9.98, which is pretty much $10 for 10. So it's probably like $1 something for one. So not bad. And then I guess it was two choices. You could have got the Revitalizing Sake or the Soothing Aloe Mask. These were the two choices. Alrighty. So the next thing I got is a CeeLo Noir Twist Up Eyeliner. I've never heard of this brand before. Let's see. But I could always use an eyeliner. So it's a twist up eyeliner. It's a purple color. It's purple. This is what it looks like. And that's the tip. I don't really have that much purple eyeliners, but I'm curious to try this out. I have to start using color eyeliners again. I used to do like green eyeliners on the bottom, like royal blue. And I stopped doing that, but I gotta get back into that. So I definitely will be using this purple eyeliner. So I am happy. Majority of the box is not just skincare. We have 3 beauty products, a mascara, a brush, and a purple eyeliner. So I'm very happy for that. And we have a hair product, and we have 2 skincare products. So I would say the box was, it has a nice variety of things in there. Was there anything in here that got me really excited? Like how when I get stuff from Ipsy and BoxyCharm? Probably not. Actually, I forgot about this. So there was 3 skincare items. I'm sorry, instead of 2. There was nothing in here where I was really like super excited. But then again, Allure Beauty Box, they don't really put in like the trendy stuff. They don't put in like Too Faced or Urban Decay or Smashbox or It Cosmetics, Anastasia Beverly Hills. They never really do like the trending Huda Beauty or any of that fun stuff. They don't do, that's not really their type of, if you're looking for things like that, you're not going to really get that from Allure Beauty Box. If you do, it's very rare that they put stuff like that in the box. I feel like they do put good things, but it's not going to be like when unboxing a BoxyCharm box. But it's good because I don't want to have all different boxes that's all the same types because I want to try different things. So, I am happy with, for the most part, everything in the box. I'm most excited to try this brush out, and I love this mascara. This mascara is great if anybody, wants to try this mascara. It's good. I like the wand is not too thick. It's just enough to get through the lashes. It does give a little volume to the lashes, so I did like this when I tried it. The last time I got it from one of my subscription boxes, I'm excited for the liner. I'll probably give this away because I'm not gonna be spraying anything in my hair for moisture. I don't need moisture in my hair like that. I'm gonna give this away. I'm gonna give this away. And I'll keep the mask because I like doing masks sometimes at night. So I'm keeping 4 things and giving away 3 things. So I would give, out of 10, I would give this box Maybe a 5. Only because I wasn't like super ecstatic about it, or like it wasn't like anything that I was super excited for. I liked, almost half of the things in the box. I liked 4 things. And I didn't like 3. Not that I didn't like, but I don't think I would use it. So yeah. What did you guys think about the Allure Beauty Box for the month of September? What did you guys get? Well, actually, we all get the same thing, so it's not even a matter of what you guys got. But did you guys like the box? Like, what do you guys think about this? Are you guys subscribed to the Allure Beauty Box? I do like it. You get different things. But like I said, it's no Ipsy or BoxyCharm. But it's all personal preference, and I like it, so that's why I subscribe for the whole year. So, with that being said, this is the end of my unboxing. Stay tuned for my next unboxing. I'm actually going to film another video after this. I think I'm going to film maybe my glossy box. I have a couple of boxes here on the side. I think I'm going to film this one next. So stay tuned for my next video to see what I got in my glossy box. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys watch my videos every day, give me a thumbs up to show your support as always. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. Love you guys so much. See you guys all in my next video. Bye.